Are you trying to play a game peacefully, but suddenly this error pops up? Don't worry, I got you. Just follow this video and we will fix this problem together. First, click on the Windows button and write PowerShell, but open this as administrator. Once the PowerShell window is open, then I have given you some commands in the description. Copy them and paste them one by one. Copy the first command, go to your PowerShell window and paste it there and click enter. After it, copy the second one and paste and run in PowerShell. Then do the same with the third one. After you have successfully implemented the third command, your Windows store will be open and it will take you to your gaming services, and click on the get button. Then click on the install. Once you do all these steps, your problem should be fixed. Then you can play your game peacefully. If this video helped you, click on the like button and tell me in comments. But don't forget to subscribe the channel.